So let me put tilak. Tilak is in 12 parts of the body. Because this is called mantra. This is called armor. It's kavacha. It's called mantra kavacha. Everyone wants protection. Everyone wants to be secure. So this is what, when we remember the names of God and we chant a mantra, we mix the tilak and Om Shri Rishikeshaya Manusudnaya Trivikramayana. We mark the collar. This is one mark here, one mark here, one mark here. Then our body's protected from the top, from the sides, from the back, from the front, from the neck, from the waist, and in the forehead. Then when any leftover tilak, then we wash the water. Then whatever on our hands, we say Shri Vasudevaya Namah or Om Vasudevaya Namah. If you're an Aishwarya Bhav, you say Om Vasudevaya Namah. Here they say Shri Vaishnavaya, as if it makes a difference. But they do that to be different. Sri Damaraya Namah, Sri Padmanandaya, Sri Govindaya Namah, Sri Keshavaya, and they say that. The principle's the same. Detail may vary. So this is Urdu Pandra. We're decorating our body as a temple of Krishna. Engaged in every temple is set up to serve Krishna. So we don't want to just serve Krishna with our head, but we want to serve with our arms. So we mark our arms. Yes, my arms are temples meant to serve Krishna. My back is a temple meant to serve Krishna. My throat is a temple meant to serve Krishna. My chest is a temple meant to serve Krishna. My belly is a temple. This. We are a walking temple. This is the meaning of Urdhva Pandra Samskara. And what does this tilak represent? It represents the lotus footprint of Krishna.